game I got from a priest. Holla! You are worth it. Now let's cut the BS and retrain your brain for personal, social, and financial freedom. Here's your host, Liberty v. Justice. You know, after I had my first article published in the Salvation Army's War Cry, I gave a copy of it to this priest in Erie, and he was like, wow, that is so cool, congratulations. He's like, hey, can I have your autograph? But everyone needs someone to shine a light on what they're doing right. Holla! Our strengths are the hardest things for us to see in ourselves. Everybody wants a fan. Everybody wants someone to see the best in them. And when you see the best in others, it brings out the best in you. Everybody's out here talking. Everybody's out here trying to tell you why they are so great. But don't nobody want to hear all that, because everybody wants to hear why they are so great. Steve from Crimson Fantasy knows this. Holla! Steve is subscribed to both my YouTube channels. Steve comments on both my YouTube channels. I became Steve's MVP. I found his channels, I subscribed, I comment on them, I share them on all my social media. You see, I know what's important to Steve. It's his YouTube channels. But what is most important to each individual person is the most important thing that you need to focus on. But the most important thing that you have to do is to make them feel important. And I can tell you that the things that I am doing now work for me, because I can tell you that the things that most people out there are doing are the things that I did in the past, and they didn't work for me. So now that I changed my brain and started thinking about other people and doing things differently, that's why I can tell you that these things work. We don't see results, so we don't keep going. What moves us forward is others encouraging us, giving us specific feedback, and telling us that the things we're working on are working. So I just want to thank you all so much for all your comments. That is what makes you the MVP. That is what makes people afraid to lose you. That is what makes you irreplaceable. When you are genuinely interested in others and you make them feel like superstars, that is what makes you a superstar. When you are liberated from your own fears, your very presence liberates others. Puedes hacer lo que tú quieres. You are worth it. Subscribe to Liberty's BS on YouTube. Like, comment, and sharing is caring on all your social media. Thank you. Gracias.